part of the day is eating my food in the morning and looking out, journaling and drinking my coffee, and it's just such a lovely moment. It's what I always write down on my gratitude list every morning because it's just such a vibe. I put my little jumper on because it's freezing right now. I'm gonna walk you through my journaling process because I journal in the morning and nighttime. So I start off with the 5-minute journal, which I just recently bought, and it basically provides a quote at the top of the page every single day. So let me read it out loud. Write a text, email, or letter to someone you truly care about. I'm gonna talk to my mommy today. Then this is a free form journal, and I have made it custom. I have Rita Kaminski, and then I made my own little affirmation. I have it all now, very be in the state, Neville Goddard. And then I journal out Rich as Fuck by Amanda Francis, the journal. Now, if you have never heard of this woman, please Google her right now. I absolutely love her YouTube. She has the best concept on money. Like, she's a multi-millionaire. Her perspective on money is insane. I absolutely love it. I have the matching book and I have read this 5 times. I have received 2 raises and like crazy influxes of money that I didn't like otherwise have before because of her book. I'm like rereading this book because each chapter has 10 questions in the journal. So I read one chapter and then I answer the questions, and I read one chapter and then I answer those questions because they are tailored to each chapter. So that is what I'm going to do right now, and then I'm going to shower, and then I will update you on what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the day. No limit, bitch. One of the things that I am insanely grateful for is that this is my view every time I shower. Like, every morning and evening I look out the window when I'm showering and I'm like, I can't believe this is my life. I'm so grateful. Ready and filmed a bunch of TikToks, and now I'm gonna be going to get an eye exam and get like a year or 2 years worth of contacts because my contacts have run out, and I'm also going to be going to the gym and canceling my Equinox membership. I really want to talk about the importance of alignment and following your happiness. When I started following my happiness every single moment to moment, knowing that I don't have to do anything, I don't have to vlog every single day. I get to vlog every single day because it makes me happy. There's no specific time that I have to put out my YouTube video. If I don't have to go to the gym, if I don't want to, I'm not going to go. Because when you start following your happiness, you are going to be getting results 10 times, 50 times, 100 times more than if you were doing things that you were supposed to do. I can attest to this when I was in alignment, in the vortex. If you don't know about that, then I highly suggest YouTubing Abraham Hicks, the vortex, or I have done a lot of videos going in detail about it because I know that Abraham Hicks, it's sort of hard to understand for beginners, but when you follow your happiness, everything just falls into place, even if you're like, I don't understand how this is going to work out for me. Simple example, yesterday it was raining, but it was a Friday, so I'm like, oh, it's not going to be, you know, crowded outside, so I should go to the optometrist and to the gym now. But it was raining, so I just followed my happiness and I stayed at home and I had the best day ever. My vibration was raised, and now I am feeling so fully energized to go out and do my eye exam. I have actually never done anything like medical related in the 2 years that I've lived in the US. If you start following your happiness, no matter how unlogical it sounds, your life is going to become magical without you even having to try or to force anything.
Do not sell marijuana to my husband.
Okay.
For December, it is so warm, like the effects of global warming for real. What I was saying about following your happiness, it is literally going to like help you follow exactly where you need to be in the easiest possible circumstances. Like you will literally be flying towards your goals and your dreams. Every time I was in alignment, it felt like I was a superhero and I could do every single thing so easily, as opposed to me just forcing everything. All right, so I am walking to get my contacts and then going to the gym. Yeah, I'm like vlogging for the first time in public in forever on a Saturday, so I am proud of myself. Pat on the back for me. Okay, so I just finished off at the gym, and the US medical system is insane. Like they were like, oh, you have to get a specific private health insurance, contact your HR, and then, I mean, he was super nice about it, but like I basically have to ask for my HR to get a specific private health insurance. I might not even have it for optometry, have it for dentistry and for medical. So I have to deal with that and find an optometrist that I can get like prescription contacts, because I did all of this in Australia. Then I went to the gym and now I'm walking home. I was meant to do like an hour on the treadmill, but I did like 40 minutes. I'm just like annoyed. Like I'm just like irritated. But going home now, gonna edit this vlog and just chill out. I got 2 packages. I am excited. Oh, let me put my bag down. So this is a Uniqlo puffer. My mom and dad have these and they're really small. So if you're like backpacking or literally going anywhere, you can fit this like so easily if you're traveling or something like that. But the thing about this is that it's really small and compact, but it literally caters to the temperature. I swear to God, I would always borrow my mum's Uniqlo puffer jackets, like specifically this one. When it was winter in Australia, I'd always wear it, and it's like no matter how cold it got, I mean, granted in Australia it's not that cold, but anytime I would wear it, it would like cater to whatever the temperature was. And I just feel like this is going to be so good when I'm traveling to cold countries and I want to pack light. I'm just going to wear this and then like layer like either like a fleece. I have like so many cute fleeces from And Other Stories, or like a long sleeve. So let me try it on. I just really love these kind of puffer jackets. And it feels so light, but it really is so warm. It's insane. It's like magic. But yeah, very comfortable. And then from Amazon, I got the niacinamide, which I always get because it is honestly so good for morning routines. Like my skin is so glossy and like a glassy. Like I love that glass clean girl look. Yeah, I'm gonna make some collagen and edit this video, and I'm gonna have a shower as well, actually. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God, so this is a new camera and I'm still figuring out the audio. So this was muted while I was filming it, and I can't be bothered filming it again. But basically I was saying that I had some bread and some chocolate collagen that was really yummy, and I wanted to end the video off by saying that you can literally do whatever you want. You can follow your happiness, like even the example of literally eating bread and chocolate collagen randomly. It's like I have fries and chicken in my refrigerator, but I couldn't be bothered having that. Like I felt like having bread, you know? So it doesn't have to make sense in the moment, and not even that example, like literally any example that you can think of. You don't know how it's going to benefit you in the long run. First of all, it's going to clear up your mind because you're going to release resistance. You're not controlling your negative thoughts. You're letting your negative thoughts be there. Whatever, that's fine. That's totally normal. We're humans. But when you concentrate on what makes you happy, the negative thoughts just fall away. Like you don't need to be fighting them off and reaffirming all the time. Do you know what I mean? So it causes you to think clearly because you're not going to be thinking negatively anymore, which will cause you to listen to your intuition, and your intuition literally guides you to the path that leads you to all of your desires. Like you might think you have desires, but you have desires that you didn't even think of yet because they're all in your soul, and your inner being is literally leading you to all of your desires by showing you where to go through your happiness and through your intuition. So literally just be happy. It will clear your mind. It will make your intuition much higher because you're not affected by negativity. All right, so I'm gonna finish editing this vlog. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you bright and early tomorrow morning.